Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that Microsoft has promised in a blog post is to make Windows 11 faster and better in 2026. Now, is it just me, or isn't there a post 6 months ago that says Windows 11 is the fastest Windows ever? And maybe another post last year of 2025 will be the best year for Windows 11. I kind of get that. I've heard and read things like that from several blog posts where it wants to make things better also is in gaming, because it seems like the game mode in game bar, because when you actually use a game, when you actually turn on a game, Windows is supposed to go into what is game mode. And this should technically load the amount of background processes and all sorts. Yet, I don't know. It's just kind of funny when I hear that you want to make it fast again when it was supposed to be fast, and it's supposed to be the best and the fastest already last year and the year before. But anyways, they kind of admitted that Windows 11 might not perform as well as pretended, which I believe. I mean, a lot of people are having a little bit of issues. I still see a lot of people commenting that they have some stuttering and gamings or frame rates that aren't that great compared to when they were on Windows 10. So we'll see what 2026 brings. But it is interesting, though, that we can see something interesting in the fact that in the past month, they have admitted a lot of issues, problems, performance issues. It's as if somebody somewhere woke up and said, okay, look, guys, stop being in your little world and look around you. Things aren't as beautiful as you pretend it to be. So we'll see what happens in 2026 with this. What we still have a lot of things that haven't rolled out for a lot of people. Like, I still don't have the new start menu. I still don't have tons of things that some people have. And a lot of you out there don't have a lot of those things too. So it seems that, we'll see the rollout of the new features, and we'll see also, what will they do in fixing and performance and all, what's going to happen next. So hopefully it's not just, saying things and not doing anything about it, but actually saying things and improving Windows 11, which a lot of people really want that focus to happen. Let's fix and make Windows 11 good. And then, we'll see for the new features. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.